Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you one of the favorite recipe for all the fast food lovers. So let's get started. Heat a pan. Add about 4 glasses of water for boiling the Maggi. I took 3 packs of Maggi, break and put them into the water for boiling. Put on a lid, keep it on a medium flame and boil the Maggi for 2 to 3 minutes. Maggi noodles are cooked. Now remove the lid and separate them using a fork. After separating them, strain the excess water using a strainer. Keep them aside, let the noodles cool. Now take a bowl. Noodles are cooled completely. Add the noodles into the bowl. As the noodles are kept aside, they are clumped up, so separate them. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Add about 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green chili. Add about 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Rice flour is optional. You can add 3 tablespoons. It's for crispiness. Add corn flour about 5 tablespoons. Finely chopped curry leaves half tablespoon. Now add the powders. Salt 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Add them. As I use 3 packs of Maggi, I am adding 3 packets of Maggi taste makers. Adding taste makers helps in enhancing the taste of the Manchurian balls. Add them and mix well. Now the dough for making Manchurian balls is ready. You can make the Manchurian balls in any size like small, medium or large. I am doing medium sized. In the same manner, make all the other Manchurian balls. Now coat the Manchurian balls with the Maggi crumbs. To prepare the Maggi crumbs, I took about 1 pack of Maggi. You can either lightly grind them using a mixer or crumble them manually like this. Try to break them into very small pieces so that the balls are coated well with the Maggi crumbs. Now start coating the Manchurian balls with the Maggi crumbs like this. In the same manner, coat all other Manchurian balls. Heat oil for frying the Manchurian balls. Check whether the oil is heated. Now drop the Manchurian balls one by one. Keep it on a high flame. Make sure that the oil is hot so that the Manchurian balls become crunchy from outside. Fry them for at least 5 minutes. Now keep it on a low flame so that the Manchurian balls are cooked well from inside. Keep it on a low flame for 5 minutes. Fry them till they are golden brown color. It doesn't take much time to cook as we boiled the Maggi before itself. Similarly, fry all other Manchurian balls till they are golden brown in color. Make sure that you follow the correct method, otherwise they do not cook well from inside. Now heat a pan. Add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 onion cut in petal size. finely chopped garlic, about 8 cloves. Add 1 red chili and 1 green chili cut like this. Add curry leaves, about 1/4 cup. Keep it on a medium flame and fry till the onions are translucent. Mix them well. Add about 1 capsicum cut in petal size. Keep it on a low flame and saute. Put on a lid. Cook them well for 5 minutes till the veggies become soft and tender. Our veggies are done. Now add salt as required. Mix well. Add red chili sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Add dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons. Mix them well. Keep it on a low flame and cook them well for about 2 minutes. Take half cup of water. Add about 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix well until it dissolves. Adding corn flour helps in thickening the gravy. At this point, keep it on a low flame and mix well. As it starts to thicken quickly within seconds. Now add salt as required. Stir it continuously until the gravy thickens. Make sure that it is on a low flame so that it doesn't get burnt. The gravy thickened. Now turn off the flame. You need to turn off the flame so that the Manchurian balls do not become soggy. Now add the fried Manchurian balls and mix them well. Now switch on the stove and keep it on a low flame for 2 minutes. Coat all the Manchurian balls well with the gravy. So our crispy Maggi Manchuria is ready. Try to serve it hot immediately with tomato sauce. Otherwise, the Manchurian balls tends to become soft by keeping them for a longer time in the gravy. So if you are a fast food lover, please do try it for sure and let me know your views in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Follow @food.festo.